What will you do here? What did mommy tell you? Oh. Oh. See? Very good. Oh. Very good. You know what to do now. Oh, the same thing. Oh, you will circle. What will you do?
2.
2. Very good. Very good boy. Oh, see? Oh, see? Look at this one. Always like this. Like this, huh? Counterclockwise. 2. Where's the long hand? Very good. How about this one? What time is this one? Very good. 6. 15. Very good. The other one. Where's the short hand?
9.
9. Very good. Sail. Why did you throw the book? Pick it up, Sail. Axel, what did mommy tell you? Follow the line. Where is the short hand? Follow the line. No? I told you like this. Yes. 6. 6. Leon.